All right, we're starting off with some white chocolate in our crock pot. All right, now that we have those flattened out, I'm gonna bring in my sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna use this whole can of condensed milk right in our crock pot with our white chocolate. This is gonna be a super easy and super delicious crock pot treat. We're gonna make sure we scrape out our can and get all of that delicious sweetness. Oh my, oh my. My family absolutely loves when I make this. It's just so fun and festive, and kids just go crazy over it. Okay, got all of that out. Perfect. All right, now I have my half and half, and we're gonna use this entire container of half and half, which is 16 ounces. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just splashing around in our crock pot. Ooh, cannot wait to get this cooking. All right, we use that whole container. Oh, I'm bringing in my whole milk. You can use whatever milk preference you like. And I'm gonna bring in my large measuring cup, and we're gonna measure out 6 cups of whole milk. You can use an oat milk, an almond milk, a coconut milk, low fat, non-fat, skim. All right, that looks about 6 cups. And that's gonna go right in there. Be a little careful, make sure it doesn't splash. I'm trying my best. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Perfect. Woo! Okay. All right, I'm gonna bring in a little Christmas spatula and just kind of give this a nice little stir, get that condensed milk kind of starting to blend in with our 2 milk options, and get those, white chocolate chips just evenly mixed into our crock pot. Okay, that looks about ready. I'm gonna grab my lid, plop that on, and then we're gonna actually put this on low, and we're gonna check on it and mix it and see how it comes out. All right, you guys, it's been 2.5 hours on low. We're gonna go ahead and put it on warm. Now remember, I was mixing this here and there to make sure that chocolate didn't burn. Give it one nice mix. Oh my gosh. It looks so creamy, so delicious, but we're not done yet. We're gonna make this extra special and extra festive. So I have here some neon green food dye, and we're going to add that right into our crock pot. Beautiful. We're gonna start mixing that into our milks. Ooh, look at the color coming together. This is gonna be so much fun. Now we're gonna mix this until we get the perfect shade of green. We might need to add a little bit more of that food coloring. Okay, look how festive that is. Yummy. We are almost ready. I found these super yummy peppermint marshmallows that we're just gonna have floating right on there. Look at that red and green, perfect for Christmas. But not only is this perfect for Christmas, but it is also for my favorite character, the Grinch. We made Grinch hot chocolate. But before we start filling this baby up, I'm gonna give this a cute little rim. I have some red sugar that I'm gonna pour right here. We don't need all that. And then before I dip it in the sugar, I'm gonna dip it in a little bit of water. And then look how fun that is. It is time to serve up our Grinch hot chocolate. Oh, so good, so easy. Look at that little face fill up and become green. All right, now you could top this with whipped cream, more sprinkles, more marshmallows, whatever you want, but I think this Grinch hot chocolate is ready to try. Just warms my heart. You gotta try it.